Welcome back to Shiloh's Temple, and today we're doing lash clusters. I'm going to show you how to install lash clusters from start to finish, everything you need, so stay tuned. Let's do some lash clusters, all right? So today I'm going to show you how to do some lash clusters. So if you're used to wearing your natural lashes, or you've been wearing lash extensions or strip lash, I want to show you how to do lash clusters. Now, lash clusters are an alternative to doing lash extensions. You don't have to sit in anybody's chair for an hour and a half. You can do this at home yourself, and it's super, super easy. So let me tell you what you need to get started. Okay, so this is what you're gonna need to do your lash clusters. So you're gonna need a lash curler. So you can get an electric one or the little cheap one. These are really cheap. You can get it from Amazon for like $2 or something, $4 or something like that. Need a lash curler, and you need some lashes. So today I'm gonna use Bye Lash, and this is their 4-in-1 kit. Now you can get this off my Amazon storefront, or you can get this off of TikTok in the TikTok shop. I have it linked in the video. And this is 4-in-1 lashes. So they have bottom lashes, volume, wispy, and clusters. And it comes with the lash seal and the bond. So it comes with everything that you need in this kit. Right here, you can do bottom lashes, you can do clusters, you can do wispy, you can do all kinds of different lashes. And these ones are actually the ones that have a smaller base, because your typical lash clusters have a wider base. They have a wide base like this, but these ones have a shorter base like this. So they're easy to stack on top of each other or to get the desired lash look you want. And I find that the ones with the smaller base actually last longer than the ones with the wider base. But the ones with the wider base are super easy to put on. I mean, you can put them on in literally like 5 minutes. So I'm going to follow a doll lash map. And why I'm following a doll lash map is because I have hooded eyes. So you can see like the skin over my eyes covered. So only certain lash maps are going to look good on me. And that's the doll, a natural lash map, or the squirrel lash map. So most of the time I do a doll lash map because that's just what looks best on hooded eyes or smaller eyes. I have a smaller eye, so the doll lash map looks good on me. So you want to make sure that your lashes are clean. You don't want no mascara, no nothing like that on them. You want to make sure they're clean. And the first thing that you want to do before you put your lashes on is you want to curl them. So you want to go ahead and curl your lashes, because this is going to help when you're putting them on. You need them to be curled. So I already have a nice length lash already, but sometimes I like to enhance it. And so this set is going to look super natural. It's not going to look like the most. So you want to make sure that you curl your eyelash. That is first things first. Curl your eyelashes with an eyelash curler, right? That's what they look like. After you curl your lashes with the eyelash curler, you're going to get your lash bond. So since these have a smaller base, you want to put the lash bond on one end first, do the lashes, and then you're going to put it on the other side and then do the lashes. So I wish I had a mirror right here so that I can see. So it comes with the bond and the seal. So, I had that in the wrong way. The bond and the seal right here. So it already comes together. So you put the bond on first. And then what you do with lash clusters, you don't need a ton of glue. You only need a minimum amount, and you don't want to put it on your waterline, because if you put it on your waterline, it's going to clog your waterline and you are going to get a sty. So make sure you don't put a whole lot. Don't put it on like mascara either, because your lashes are going to fall off. But just put it on the base. And if you want, you can put it on the lash as well. But I usually just stick with the base. Let me tell y'all, this is so hard to do on camera. So I got that on. I'm gonna take my tweezers. So when you're taking them off, you wanna take them off at the base like that and then put them on. So I'm gonna start with, I'm gonna use the wispy and the volume one. Start with 10 on the outside. And you just take it and you literally just drop it on like that. And that's it. I'm gonna do another 10. So I'm gonna alternate between the wispy and the volume. So after I got them 3 10s, then I'm gonna go on to the 12. Got one 12. I'm gonna do another 12 with the volume. And then I'm gonna go on to the 14. So I'll put 2 14s on. And you can see how it looked already. I'm gonna put another 14 on. And then the longest length I'm gonna do is a 16. And you can press this on, press them in. And that just happens sometimes. I'm gonna put some more lash bond on there. I'm already at the middle towards the end. Like I said, these wispy ones are really hard to get off. I'm like bending them all up. Look at this, I done bent this up so bad. Look how bent it is. But I'm gonna still use it. I love how you can't even tell that these are on. That's a good thing about lash clusters because you're putting them underneath your eye. And I'm still alternating between the wispy and the volume. 16 in there. So now I'm gonna go back to the 14. I did 2 14. I'm gonna go to the 12. Put another 12 on there. And I'm gonna finish with the 10. I'm gonna put that too close on the side because you know you got your tear ducts and all that stuff. So this is what it's looking like. And I'm gonna seal them in. Now, I probably could have stacked these up some more, but I can't really see what I'm doing. So that's that. So then you want to take your seal so that they stay on, so that they don't fall off. So you want to just go ahead. I probably see that little gap right there. I probably could have put another lash in there, but am I going to go back and do it? Nope. This is what it's looking like from the side. All right, so that's one. So like TV, what they call it, TV magic, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. Okay, so I got both of them on. This is what both of them on look like. It's a real natural set. Like I said, it's called a doll lash mat. So real natural set of lashes. I don't have to do the most. I don't like doing the most with my lashes. Not against anybody that does like to do the most, but with my eyes, it just don't look right if I do the most with the lashes. So this is what they look like. What you think? Before and after, right? Make a big difference in how you look. Especially like hooded eyes, it can make your eyes look like droopy sometimes or sleepy. So this is after, so I'm gonna leave these in my bio. You can get them from my Amazon storefront. Yeah, so try these lashes out. Let me know how you feel about them. And try this method out. Let me know how it is, how it worked for you. And see y'all later.